Okay, Saturday, last weekend in August. Monday, it's ready, September, end of the summer. Um, I'm sorry, I was ready before open the envelope usually, the box, but now we're gonna do it. This is gonna be short video. Short video. This is Dehumidifier Homelabs. Yeah. This is 8 pint, around 1,000 square feet, or 980, something like that, meter. But 1,000 square feet. I buy for basement because sometimes I feel smell. I feel moisture. I feel smell. That's why I order and I buy this. I buy from Amazon. Now I'm open first time from box. Yeah. Honestly heavy. I didn't expect, but it's really heavy. On off. Okay, from this side make better. Have a roller. It's a nice from the bottom. I like that. It's a compact, small, nice color. Any place when you put in the room, it matches. On off mode, timer, moisture minus or plus, indicator of light for tank is full. This is a tank for water. When it's full, it's coming this up. And also you can see how is the water is coming up to the dehumidifier. Homelabs have a handle. The back let me take off. Like I'm saying, this is the first time I cut the box, but I didn't open. This is for the tank and also the extra water. You can use this hole to put in the sink or whatever, okay? You're gonna turn on. Let's take off. Put the hose. This is it. And if you not move from the same place, you can use this. Or on the front to fill the tank, time on the time, just spill in the sink. This is good for clothes. Cable, strip for the cable, and some specification, or we can do it from here. It's nice, small, perfect for my basement. Let me see if if I found, should be, I don't know. Yeah, dimension. Dimension, I'm gonna make it the metric, okay? 46, 46 high, 45, 45, 46, and 25. On the back, for the clean, it's very easy for the cleaning. This is the filter, but I want to know how can I take off. Okay, yeah, it's easy. That's the filter. When it's coming dust, with a warm water, the light shower, clean this. And we'll see how it function. I'm gonna make update maybe for the next year or next month. It's much good result for working if it's work all day. Because if you turn on, turn off, couple hours, that's not effect. I'm gonna try tomorrow to read much better the user manual, because honestly, in my life, I never used this. Nobody talk in my country about this, but here, it's something different. We have a dust. I'm gonna blow up with the air condition, with the air compressor, sorry. And we'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow how the function. Until then, was a short, very short video to just make update. To tell you, I'm not forgot my new subscribe. Thank you for my new subscriber. And maybe tomorrow I'm gonna make another one video. I have one product I already buy. It's still in the box. I didn't open. But we'll see. We'll see. Always I'm saying good health, everyone, my viewers, my subscriber, because that's important in the life. This is model HME 0081. HME 0081 is a user manual only for this model. You don't have too much, but I'm gonna read because I don't know. Probably I'm gonna put under 50 for humidity, or take a more the humid make, because I like I'm saying, I feel in the basement. I can see, but I feel in the basement uh, humid. On the chair, I can see like a green. On the handle, my small cabinet here, I can see the green. That is coming from humidity for nothing else. 8 pint, enough for 1,000 square feet. Perfect for this place. Okay, thank you. Thank you again. Have a good weekend. Happy holiday. Monday is a Labor Day. And see you for the new unboxing package tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Thank you again. Have a good day.